Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. How to automate your business. Practical lesson inside Builderall Facebook chatbot. So I'm inside the back office of Builderall and I've clicked apps and I'm going to click Facebook chatbot. So I've actually added a new page. So from scratch, when you add a new page, this is what you do. So you add page, because I made a new page, Millionaire Mom, yesterday. Okay, and I've just put 2 posts on. One value motivation post and one promotional post. So this is the value post and there's the interview post. So I'm going to select this post for answer. And right, so the post was, who wants to see my interview with a $6 million earner? So if the user's comment consists of, no, if it equals to me with a capital, me please, you have to just me please. So upper score, info, anything that's any word has to be with a comma and a space. So info please, you can put that with a capital or both capitals. Info, 2 capitals. So you get the idea. Anything that you think, or yes, or even yes. So you just put a selection of what you think they will write below, and then you put your answer. So I can put, I'm so excited. Oops. Got to meet a lovely Liam James. Okay, because he was absolutely amazing. I'm so proud that you want to share this moment with me. Smiley face. Then if you've already got a link, I've actually done a small capture page, basic capture page in here. So you go in my sites, and then you find Liam's interview. There we go. So you copy that link. And paste. Easy peasy. So I'm so excited you got to meet the lovely Liam James Kay. I'm so proud that you want to share this moment with me because he was amazing. I loved meeting him. He's such a genuine guy. I loved him. So then you put your link and then you can put regards, Diane. Here's to success. Okay, you can put some smiley faces in as well if you want, but then you save. So there's no delay, so that they'll get it straight away. You don't want to answer on second level comments, so you answer only once. So if they stick another message underneath somebody, they only get one message. Save. So I'm going to put this, and actually if you want to test this, let me just find out. If you need somebody to test it for you, hold on a minute. All you have to do is hover over the date, right click, copy link and paste it to one of your friends to see if, hey, look, I'm just testing this out. Does it work? And they'll go, hey, yes, it does, because I got the link. So basically, you can automate your business by putting a little one-liner or something in that people need to answer with a certain phrase. You can put the certain phrase in what you think they will reply with. Whoever puts in one of those messages will get your link. So basically, you can be on the beach sunning yourself, you can be doing the kids' tea, or you can be having a glass of wine with your loved one. So that's it for now, but stay tuned for the Facebook auto poster. That will be the next video, and see you on the next one. Bye.